This is the adult candy store, as I refer to it, with all the colors and all the glory that goes with it. We carry a very extensive line of floor coverings, from your carpets, to wood, to tile, to natural stones and granites and marbles. No one knows the business better inside and out, than my husband Mark does.
A lot of other companies don't want to take the challenge of all the challenges that we take. By doing all these things for the customers and doing all the service work and design work, we put so much more into a job versus one company says, we only want to do the carpet, you'll have to find somebody else to do the other work.
When you come into Home Etc., you will feel the comfort, you will feel that you're in good hands, and you will know that when we start the project, we will start the project and we will end the project in a professional, efficient, timely manner.
It's the ultimate as far as a customer come in here and get all the services, all the designing, and all the installations in one store.
This is our life.